Hi guys, I have been releasing the Captain Carnage demo some time ago. I think it's already almost 3 weeks ago, and I had no time to create a video. I had so much other work to do, and yeah, let's talk a little bit about it. And because it's so long ago, I have some data that I can show you already. So I think it's best if we start with the reviews. The game has had pretty bad reviews so far. I mean, I'm absolutely not happy with the average rating that I'm getting here. So you see a couple of negative reviews. Of course, 10 reviews is no sample size, but it's still more negative than, in my opinion, than it deserves. And but yeah, I mean, nothing that I can do about it. There's also which kind of player you attract with this type of game, and it could be that I may attract a lot of AAA gamers, and that's what they compare it to, if that's the case. But yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is, right? And yeah, that's the reviews. They are not so good, in my opinion. Could have been better. There's some community stuff. Where's the community? It's here. Feedback going on, which has been pretty useful, and I got better reviews actually in the discussions and not in the ratings. And let's have a look at some other data. The navigation data. So this is how the navigation data looks. Yeah, I mean, you can have a view for yourself. It was covered by a lot of YouTubers, actually, I think, smaller YouTubers, of course. And that's why we have this peak here, this extra peak, I think. On the Captain Carnage side, you see it's already slowing down here, but it could be also something else. It could be that this reacts delayed to the peak of the demo. This could also be the case. But there has been some coverage on YouTube. But like I said, just a lot of small YouTubers. And yeah, it's still good, having people playing it. It's still a good thing to have. I'm very happy about that. And yeah, these are the numbers for the impressions. And let's go to the numbers of the wish lists of Captain Carnage. We are now at, or I am now at 2,124 wish lists, and it's about 1,000 wish lists that were generated through the demo release. And yeah, that's this data. And that's the data of the demo itself. Currently one player is playing. Daily active is right now very low. It has been higher. I think the peak was more than 70. Yeah, that's the lifetime unique users and median playtime. And we can have a look into this because this is also an interesting data. The demo itself is pretty short. I think it's in average about 20 minutes. And yeah, if we look at the average playtime, it's 21 minutes, what the people play. Median 12 minutes, and that's the range. And yeah, this is also interesting to see. And right now, if you would go by the score system of Chris Zukowski or something like that, he's called something like this. I'm not 100% sure, but he's the marketing guru for indie games. By his scale, I think this average playtime, or the average is even silver rank, I think, but the median is more or less bronze rank, a little bit on the top of bronze, but it's still bronze. And it's okay. The demo is not very long, so I expected numbers like that. And before I forget, I also added a cheat button, which is 0 on the keyboard, with which you can swap the character skins like so. And we have also this skin and also this skin. And you can change them with this cheat button. But the thing is, and remember that the sounds will stay the same and the animations will also stay the same. So if I switch the skins while playing, like to this character or this character, the sounds are going to stay the same. So she's having the sounds of Captain Carnage and the animations are also the same. But I mean, that's just a gimmick for now. It's not a full-fledged feature or something like that. And it's just there for the fun. So yeah, you can also use this cheat button if you want to play with the girls or with him, the joke character, or with Captain Carnage, or this other girl here, which is for the male guys probably what they are going to play with. I don't know, I'm just kidding here. But yeah, I added that just for the fun, and it's not serious. That's why it's a cheat button, and that's why you get this information only outside the game. But anyway, I wanted to share this also with you, and thank you for watching, and until next time, bye!